In this little video clip, I'm going to show you just a few neat features that are available when you're working with images in Google Slides and in Google Drawing. So the first thing I'm going to do, I have a presentation I'm developing right now, and I have a blank slide here. So I'm going to go and find an image that I'd like to work with. For this demonstration, I'm going to actually go to the Tools menu and use the Google Research tool. And as you can see, I did a search for Minions. I love Minions. So I'm going to search. Now, one of the great things about the research tool is that when you click in the search box, you can choose what you'd like to search for. Now, I know I want to search for images, so I'm going to narrow my search down to just images. I can also search for images that are free to use, share, or modify, which I will do for this demonstration because I want to make sure, since I'm publishing this on YouTube, that these images are okay to use. So I'm going to search for Minions. And here I have found some images that are of Minions that are free to use in my work. So I'm going to choose one of these images. Let's choose this guy. So another great thing about the research tool is I can actually, once I find what I'd like to use, I can click on it, drag it over to my presentation, and it will automatically be inserted on my presentation. And then I can just move it around and resize it as I see fit. Okay, so here's my image. Now, I'm going to apply some neat formatting to this to make it look a little nicer. So up here, the first thing you can do is you can crop your images right inside of the Slides tool. So I'm going to choose to crop the image. I think I'm just going to keep his face. So let's crop him down to, nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Whoops, that's what I want. So this is, I'm going to crop and just have his face showing. Okay, so now I've cropped my image. Now I'm going to apply some different formatting to it. Now I can leave it just as it is. I can add a border around it. I can choose any color I like. I can use the line weight so that the border really shows up, and I can leave him as a nice little rectangle. Or I can select him, and once he's selected, the tools show up. Next to the crop image menu, there's a little arrow, and if I select that, you see it says mask image. So I'm going to click that, and now I have all of these options for masking this image. So I'm going to put a heart around this guy because I love Minions. So where's the heart? There's the heart. So I'm going to choose the heart, and I can resize that heart, larger or smaller, so that it looks just how I'd like it to look. Maybe I'll move it. Oops. I'm going to move it up a little bit so that I get a little bigger. Okay. So now I've applied a mask to my image. And as you can see, there are lots of different options for things that you can use with your images. You know what? I've decided I don't really like this. I think I just want to go back to my normal image. So I'm going to reset my image. Now I do that by right mouse clicking on the image, reset image, and now he's back to normal. And I can start over, or I can delete him altogether from my presentation and choose something new. And that's how you can apply some different formatting to your images.